Rusk is a snack which is liked by everyone. Today we are going to make cake rusk. For making cake rusk, first we have to prepare a sponge cake. For that, in a bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk. Add half cup of sugar gradually and whisk it. Became airy and pale. Now add any essence. I have added pineapple essence. Now the time to add 100 gram of butter. Whisk well. Then add 1 cup of maida and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well with hand whisk. Ensure that there is no lump. Now transfer this cake batter to a greased pan. Bake it in a preheated oven 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now our sponge cake is ready. Cut into small rectangular pieces. Again, we have to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Again, flip over the rusk and bake it for another 15 minutes. Now, crispy and crunchy cake rusks are ready. Every oven is different, so set the temperature according to your oven. Try this cake rusk in your home and share your feedback with us. Thank you.